Yes, I'm pregnant.
Okay.
And baba mtoto tu atajitokeza.
Gathasho mwanya mweroreri wa Kururia TV gakunyitogeni muthenya wa umuthi ni njitagwo Jojo wa Kamau na ndirakurira wanyona hari hadama mobile spares ujore guoko ucoke ujire ni kuka chonjo kama jonjo nigenete muno ne wetikite gukora subscribe to thini wa channel ino itu na makiria mothe muthenya wa umuthi twina mugeni wa mwanya makiria ndamurorogwo amepiga luku safi sana tobiriria hari athi tutikiriga higo gwitwarithia ni rakiona hari agikirete buti twega ni mahinda maheho akiuga aguka guku agikirete buti na akira tukirete thaka aracoka arakiuga mufuto agwikira mutarukangu ndikio gitumi giake gwikira mufuto mutarukangu ni uriku na akiona agacoka agikira kahudi kana gafurana karia arakigerire kuria bururi-ini wa Germany na aragicokire na narakiona riu smile ni ria jega fiu ni ria ikonire hihi nyimbo nyingi tuko tukionya ni iriku etagwo Gasheni ka mugithi the queen of mugithi kuringana nake niguo akiugaga uhoro waku Gasheni
ni kukaa chonjo kama jonjo.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Tutirigaine?
Mudafatie kuga ati tutirigaine. But gaini atukinyithia ringi and we are here.
Ukoretwo hana atia musically na makiria mothe family yaku wa mitige hana atia?
Family reku. Family yakwa niwe norona haha. Na okorire nenge itoi. But nimekuwa salama. The Lord has kept me with a sound mind. I'm healthy. Ndio kuona thayo muingi no ndirakenia thuri ene na gukunja.
Na guthukangia nginyagia miciene hau muno.
Asa mucie ndithukitie no hangithuka atikire thina. No mucie ndithukitie athuri ene ndimakenagiria irabu-ini ngimainira.
Gasheni tukwambiriria hau uguo ni ukoretwo ukirite muno social media kuhorera nginya mashabiki aku ni maroria Gasheni tutimoi na kuhorera. What is going on?
Hai nimetulia. In terms of what? In terms of
tuwe Gasheni ni mundu wa gukira tu na kiundu uguo akauga I'm the queen of mugithi agacoka agaikaikara uguo ngoma ya muti agaikaikara uguo kihiti.
I think ndihoreire muno ndio kuo oria mundu athia kigimaraga undu-ini ri no guthia gukionaga the importance of silence, unajua. And my fans know I'm not quiet. Adorema, the people who follow me nemo I'm not quiet. Every day I'm doing something new. And gutire de kora tukana gugakia mutu onete Gasheni. Todo Gasheni is Gasheni and Gasheni will always be Gasheni.
Yeah, sure. Gasheni tukwambiriria hari post mwerekirite hari ya social media and people adu maikiuga you're pregnant. Onani gukita go confirm uhoro ucio confirm na mashabiki kana ni makana tima and di kana ni gukiria uhoro ucio wari uhoro wa post iyo
pregnancy. Abi
now to who is the father?
The father of my kid. Yes, I'm pregnant. And baba mtoto tu atajitokeza. I didn't want to hide my husband and my kid away from social media, but I am pregnant.
You're pregnant.
Yes.
Wow. So but then wabishira nitro na mundu gwitwo Vicky Victor. Ado mareoria Vicky Victor niwe fafa.
Victor is my good friend, yeah. And unaona baba mtoto hataki kuonekana kwa kamera na mimi nataka mtu atanishika, unajua mtu tutaenda shoot na yeye. Sasa unaona Victor anamsaidia kazi. Wait, Victor is not the father of my kid as per se, but he's the father of my kid by pictures. Tutachukua picha mingi sana.
So mwirori wa kururia ni ndao confirm na no akigo from the horse's mouth. Gasheni ka mugithi is pregnant na tuko tukimenya who is the dad na hihi onake the dad tumurehe haha no Gasheni ri about your new song ire rwimbo rure ukiriga kuruta ni undu wa mashabiki ndika ni kuhutia tu chorus niguo tukorwo tukiaria horo wa rwimbo ru
gekeneta kehiti oyo ne warohiti kehongo yogo tire kendo gethe gitareaga kinyagia bibi cia mburi gekeno kiria no gikiona na megathe na kigego gia silver
gikire kehiti
taro hiti kifisi giki niwe
I'm a fisi.
Are you not?
I'm a fisi.
Very a big one. Yeah.
Gasheni ri gwenda gucokia thutha kidogo especially in your music ni twatigire ni wa sign a contract na ukiingira thini wa rwimbo ya mundu gitwo DJ Fatso na so far ni tuonete music yaku irarise each and every day diwe dakika ino ri bado uri still thini wa rwimbo iyo ya DJ Fatso
nijirika kuga haria ha Jeff Kuria. Yes, I was working under Duke's record label, but I have never signed anything. So I was working under Duke's because of the love I had for DJ Fatso. And I was working with my best friend Fatso. Ata saizi, he's still my best friend, but I am not under any record label. Yes.
To understand thaishi mundu gitwo Fatso dari fururi-ini and from your previous interviews ni ukoretwo ukiuga akoretwo ari your mentor na niragwa your dad in music na thaishi atari guku fururi-ini. I don't know whether it has affected you musically and how will you comment about it?
Of course it cannot affect me. Fatso ni Fatso na ni Gasheni. Hata angekuwa huku hakuna kitu kubwa atanifanyia. I sing on my own, the voice is mine. I am me with or without him. I think the biggest thing he can do is advise me. And him advising me, I just need to make a call. That is enough. Yes.
But even before athiite na fururi wa naja nituonaga maita maingi show nyingi ire wa performaga nake ri wa performaga most mwakoragwo nake thini wa poster ntwakonaga maita maingi makoragwo nake stage ndiwe thaici gukorwo ndari thini wa ndari fururi-ini na tutikirega kumuona thini wa show you as Gasheni maybe when you performing nigwa wiki uramis thini wa stage.
Of course, I'll miss him. Him singing alongside me, gamumisi pio. And ni stage twasheaga, but at the end of the day, Fatso ni Fatso, na Gasheni ni Gasheni. So ndikigiria Fatso ekioria afatie gwika, na kedagigiria jikioria afatie gwika. And either on this journey, at some point ni hakinyaga and now you have to do what Gasheni can do best. Ni aheire njira akihingurira murango akinyonia uria gufatie guthie and I am doing what I can do best. And I think that is the journey. Yes.
Tuli hau uguo ri ni kwari na so many kana kwari na mvuto ukirikana issue ire yariho yake digotinda ngimicokera no ni kwari na andu aingi ni mamuingirire muno that moment na maybe na uria agwa gitwikaga you as a friend na ukiuga he's your best friend that time maybe how did you support him na maikaraga na njire how the relationship nake?
My relationship with Fatso is that he's my best friend. That's the far I can answer that question. I cannot tell you on camera what I did for him, what I was doing for him. That is personal. Hiyo ni yetu kama marafiki, but yes, I was there for him.
But adu okoro makimuigirira each and every time na kumukirira thini wa social media. You as a friend, how can you comment about it?
Omundu ni ali maoni make. Omuthi uyu ri you started by asking me if I was pregnant. If I said I'm not, if I said I'm not, ama niseme I am, how sure are you I'm not lying? You see, o mundu ni entitled to your own opinion, so whether alifanya ama hakufanya o mundu ni arugame hake, hewa niekire na hewa ndekire. So nie heri haria ni ndarugamire, mundu ngina ke arugamire hake. But me I cannot conclude on anything in regards to that matter.
Literally thini wa music ya aini a nyimbo cia mugithi, especially ruriri rwitu tuko tukiona kwina issue ikuo igi copyright issues, na tukona kuri aini marathi guthitanga uyu ni aguthitanga uyu. You as Gasheni ka mugithi, what are you doing about it gutigirira atiriri ni ndita Gasheni ndigakinya in such situation, na igikinya ati jigu he mundu wa ikinya ria gukorwa akenda kana akiuga ni nyinite nyimbo ciake ri, how prepared are you?
I will start by apologizing to anybody. Sisi wenye tumekuja kwa industry, we are very new, we don't know how things work. Tutio copyright mie kwa janini dio uhoro wa copyright and stuff, but we go learning every day. Na ugikorwo we hawigwe muini fulani na ti muini na ni muini wa kwiyukiriria ti mundu gituire hori ni ina rwimbo rwaku kana ni akuhat in a way, the best thing to do, talk to us, because some of us are very very innocent tutio. So I'll start by apologizing to the people tutumirite nyimbo ciao uru, because I even now I don't understand whether you can perform kwa stage ama you cannot perform kwa stage nyimbo za wenyewe. I still don't know hata saizi, and if I found myself in that situation, I think the best thing to do is still apologize, because either way ni hitetie kana we mwihia. Koguo ungikora hau kana ni ndikore hau ri undu wa mbere ni kuhera. Yes.
So Gasheni, thutha wa gutuhe title yaku Queen of Mugithi, mashabiki no marakenda kumenya, are you still holding the title Queen of Mugithi? Na so far iguteithitie ati kana title iyo iguteithitie ati athini wa uini waku?
I know kinyogi atido kiuria kiu.
Tondu it's being a while tutiga kuigua kana you've still the queen, nigo tutigaikare tukigwe kwaumira queen ungi na ithe queen ura tuwe na Gasheni ka mugithi.
I'm always a queen, whether I'm singing or not. I'm always a queen. That is the answer to your question. Whether nina model, whether nina dance, whether I am singing in my house, I am always a queen. Yes.
Well, nigo koretwo na move ati ni ura plan gukoro hi oge nayo kiumagara, mashabiki makiuria kana hi ura kiumagara nao hi gugikora mundu gitwo DJ Fatso, maybe you have a song nake ne kuratuka hota gukoro kithi frodi wa naja. How about it?
Yeah, niko na show UK probably October, God willing. Niko na show mingi sana outside Kenya, and I'm trusting God for the best, and I'm hoping he will open doors and ways for me, because it said many are the plans of men, but it is only God plan that will prevail. So gikoro Ngai ni arenda nyume gakenia andu aria angi na kuja, why not? Yes. So
show ino ni mundu witu Fatso aragubangire kana it was a plan even before DJ Fatso au magarite?
Actually twari tuthie na DJ Fatso hindi athiaga, no igikorwo mifango imwe ya promoters aria mafangagira ndiarikite, so I had to stay back kidogo nigoje wamalize kupanga here and there, alafu but si Fatso amenipangia, ni mapromoter wamepanga.
Okay. And how is your growth now? Tadu okirora industry ni doikarite for so long, no at least for now no you're going to perform outside country. We wita muini adireda wita upcoming, no direda wita muini we na growth inene muno. Rona growth yaku ihana ati?
My growth is immense, and I thank God for that. I think to gainia hete kwendeka na gwitikirika, and I'm grateful. I am ever grateful to God. Etagwo favor. In other words, it's called unmerited grace. Adwa JCM no maginyita hau. It's called unmerited grace. Kindu kigufuataga nginyo nawe utoe kiumako. People love me and God love me. That is all I need in the industry. What?
And I love you.
Oga. Hey, how much already do you? Ona nida iguira hatawe. Plus right now I'm a mother of one, so it doesn't matter anyway.
Gasheni, today how they know growth. Yeah. How is your red card?
It's just somewhere. Iko tu mahali.
Kire kiuda ko rieto at times ni nyonaga DM ni cia kwando makinjira Gasheni ari hagia atia so how is your red card size?
It's not that expensive, but it's worth paying. Yes, because mi ukinipea kazi, I think you know I deliver. You nipe show kwa club yako, I will deliver. Diwishiria show dedahura mwene kirafu agiteta. Kana if it's a corporate event, kana mwene event agiteta, I always deliver. Always. Yeah. Na ukaona sija deliver ujuyo siku, maybe tu mimi ni mgonjwa, but I don't let people down because nona wewe wajeho kera besha shiako. So the least I can do is deliver, and I do. My red card is not that expensive, and it's not that cheap either.
Gasheni, you're very beautiful.
Guy. Mimi ni mama ya
Wait, you're very beautiful. Now, I want to understand the situation area.
Sorry,
Did I understand really? Hidiria uri hari oge perform. Na ni uthia irafu ni ukoro gikenia athuri ene. Some of the challenges you ukoranite nacio so far. To the stage, I'm very sure you know ni ukoranaga na athuri ocio. So far wastage ni kwa maundu mari ukoranite na uiguaga rimwe ni maritu hariwe.
Ona tonie mwini wothe muiritu winaga ri, the challenges I face ni kila mtu ofesagira maundu mau to ni ukora mundu rakuhe wira but they don't genuinely want to give you work. Niwe mafatie, niwe mareda. And kila mtu ako Nairobi kutafuta. So remwe ndungikura na difference ya mundu rakuhe wira genuinely kana mundu rakwenda gukwenda. You know, challenges ziko. Na kuna mahali kwa dunia kuna challenges. Na zikakosa hata naziona kama maisha yangu ni abnormal. Zinafaa kuwa.
Yeah, sure. Gasheni, are you expecting maybe a song kumakoriwe plan ile uri nayo kuri mashabiki aku, mafansi aku niriko?
I have a collabo coming up. A gospel collabo and a secular collabo. Igiri. And yeah. Na riu aria meja ya mafururi, I'm still coming to you. But in terms of music, I have to collabo coming up. Yes.
Wow, nice. Gushiria Gasheni muthenya wa muthi how tuikarite kire tuthite na mbere hatago Royal Rainbow Resort na neje wana okaga gikaro giki. What do you love about Royal Rainbow Resort?
I love their food. They have very nice food. Yes.
Can you recommend someone goka thini wa ikaro giki?
Eno de mwere okiarie. Taunie kuriano kuko deha kuko. But I also love their coffee. I take coffee a lot and I feel I jikaraga within Rainbow. So anytime nimeboeka kwa nyumba, I come for coffee. Yeah. So coffee and food amazing.
Na gukoma ndoro ikinyado ikweta gukoma.
Ani dida koma rumu.
Sikuishi tushaeta room.
Eshireto do.
Yeah, and
easy and B&B.
But now like kisama room.
No, it's a room. Shatika gotidoke hakirira indo shukari ni rumu. Mukawa the way na rumu. It's a room, whether it's Kempiski, whether niko, whether ni Rainbow ni rumu. Kawa ni rumu shigoko. I rarely use rooms. really. Actually direda koma rumu. Yes.
Sure.
101 sure.
Alidia mashabiki aku.
They have very nice swimming pool. Yeah. I have seen it. Noni me and water.
Oe maya kira maki.
Makwa ni makirai. Maigia muno mabadha.
Alidia mashabiki aku haria.
Ninawapenda sana. Keep praying for me. It's not easy. Every day I'm facing challenges. Every day I'm fighting new battles. Na nidimwedete muno. And I just want my fans to feel they can reach me. And I love them.
Yeah. We love you too. Na niodo nini ruboro wakunyinete ngoma ya muti. Ohutelie tu chorus. Nyume tu di mundu mukenu.
Gukete kunywa kahwa. Jaba ya ngora guku ya njira turute wira.
Ruboro tu.
Riu nginya ni uranyinithia nyimbo.
Oro tu. Chorus. Iniva ngifungo na chorus.
Dinaigana uru. Arumia rurere mugaikia kanyamu. Dinaigana uru arumia rurere mugaikia kanyamu. Kanano kanini kanano kinene vatano kinyamu. Atene jugero gemi. Mwenga mulimo kwigoma ya ihoya na kwigoma ya muti aikia Nyairobi nitwendete Arios.
Asante sana tumana Gasheni ka mugithi etikira uko kenyuka haria thini wa YouTube channel yake na subscribe na one wira uria mwega arakiruta makiria mothe muna wa Facebook ni Gasheni hati ni Gasheni ka mugithi Facebook ni Gasheni umutigire no wa mufollow TikTok Gasheni ka mugithi TikTok Gasheni ka mugithi Gasheni kila mahali ni Gasheni wandika uguo ni gukorwo kiona wira wake mwega arakiruta very amazing.
Ado anyire ado thaya mweri 28th of October. Twina dash ku na mundu gwitwo Tony Young. And the same day I'll be having a parental blessing uthaya. Ndauma kurathima aciari akwa. Utuko ni ngakorwo na ndumo na mundu gwitwo Tony Young. Date 28th of October.
28 October ni mweri uyu. Next month. And twagotwara ithi.
Thank you. You are glorious.
Sponsor na negagora biro mwe ya mutu.
Thank you. Amazing.
Thank you no homero itukinya muthenya umuthi ni njitagwo Jojo wa Kamau na ngwiraga ni kuka chonjo kama jonjo twarikia haha tugithi tukamenyekana nima tukonio ithe wa mwana ni mundu gwitwa Gasheni. Until next time, bye bye.